Welcome to Assembly Guide for EVEREST Deluxe Manufacturing by Funride. Box include, main body, front wheel complete, complete hand rest, head rest, water bottle, seat, rear wheels, wheels cap, handle, battery, footrest, parental handle pipe, movement wire, blowing handle, flute pipe, hardware. First, remove the wheel cap from both wheels. Insert axle into the wheel as shown. Attach the wheels to the main body by pressing the button on the frame. Both sides. Cover both wheels with the wheel covers, both sides. Insert the front fork into the main body. Insert the handle into the fork as shown. Secure the handle in the fork by tightening the handle lock. Insert the flute pipe as shown. Attach the flute pipe ring with the help of a screw. Insert the footrest as shown and tighten it with a nut and bolt. Secure the movement wire to the fork with a nut. Secure the rear side of the movement wire with a nut. Place the seat onto the frame. Secure the seat using a nut bolt. Align the hole of the headrest with the headrest frame hole. Fix the headrest using a nut bolt. Insert the handrest into the main frame and lock it with the lock button. Attach the blowing handle to the parental pipe and secure it with a nut and bolt. Insert the parental pipe into the flute pipe. Tighten the parental pipe with the flower bolt provided in the parental pipe. Place the water bottle on the rear side of the bottle holder. Open the battery cover using a screwdriver. Insert the batteries according to the correct polarity. Close the battery cover with the screwdriver. Press the button to activate music and light. Now your EVEREST Deluxe is ready to use.